One of the most common things I hear from first-time buyers is, I'd love to buy a home, but I probably can't get a mortgage. Today, let's look at some of the biggest myths that stop people from taking the first step. Many buyers underestimate their borrowing potential. While income is important, lenders also consider affordability, commitments, and overall circumstances. A perfect credit score isn't always required. Different lenders have different criteria, and many look beyond a single score. Being self-employed doesn't automatically prevent you getting a mortgage. Many lenders actively support self-employed applicants. If one lender declines an application, it doesn't necessarily mean every lender will. Different lenders assess applications in different ways. This is where mortgage advice can make a real difference. A broker understands lender criteria and can identify options you may not find yourself. Mortgage affordability isn't just about income. Lenders also look at your monthly commitments, spending habits, and financial profile. If you're still saving, understanding your target deposit can help create a realistic plan and timeline. An agreement in principle can give you an indication of how much you may be able to borrow before you start viewing properties. Lenders typically review your income, bank statements, credit history, deposit source, and overall affordability. Many people spend years assuming they can't buy, when a simple conversation could have shown they were already closer than they realized. The first step isn't finding a property, it's understanding your options and knowing where you stand. They also budget for the real costs up front: legal fees, surveys, mortgage arrangement fees, so nothing catches them off guard. They sort out protection for their home and income before it becomes an afterthought. None of this is complicated. It just requires a clear plan. If you've been telling yourself you can't get a mortgage, don't make assumptions. Speak to a professional, understand your options, and get the facts. You may be much closer to owning your first home than you think.
Subscribe for more mortgage advice, first-time buyer tips, and property insights. Cambs Ely Mortgages, building blocks for a brighter future.